This is the 95% for the hills along the back wall project. Okay, there's the first section, the second section, and the third section. And I got a little bit of work to do in there to melt it. I'm not gluing these down, but there's also, as I stand up, there's going to be a tunnel portal right here. So when I work on that, then I'll be able to, maybe I'll leave that as a crevasse, maybe put some ground cover back up in there. So that's about what it looks like. I think it come out pretty good. I mean, I got some cleanup because I got rocks and stuff all, ground cover, parts of trees and stuff all over the place. But I think it looks pretty good. I'm pleased with it. And so I used about, probably about 60 some odd trees here. So, but I think overall, I'm pretty pleased.